You've heard of the usual suspects for cheap travel, right?
Yeah, we know Kayak, Priceline, Expedia, but there's a new player on the scene that experts say is really offering you the cheapest flights. We're all ears.
And Joel Nichols, joining us now with a familiar name, apparently, Joel.
Well, welcome to Crazy Joel's Travel Emporium. You've heard of this little thing called the Google? Well, turns out it can actually help you find some of the cheapest flights out there for you. According to financiallyfitandfab.com, those traditional sites aren't the cheapest anymore. In fact, the best deals are often on Google Flights. All you do is enter your destination, your dates, and it instantly finds the lowest fare. It even suggests better times to fly to save even more. Finally, it could send you a Google alert to notify you when and if costs change. Now, there is a downside. Google Flights does show you discounted flights. It doesn't show you the final cost for some airlines. So things that look cheaper on the front side, Frontier, Allegiant, Spirit, may have extra costs and will have extra costs that come up after you select them. So those fees can be things like seat reservation fees and carry-on bag fees, that kind of thing. The biggest thing to note is once you find a cheap flight, don't wait to book it. They go fast. A report says after a couple hours that bargain fare is usually and often gone.